Hello, welcome to lesson number 3. In this lesson, we're going to talk about first meetings. In French, première rencontre. Première rencontre, which means meeting someone for the first time. And we're going to start this lesson with an example of a dialogue between Paul and Claire, who are meeting each other for the first time. And the dialogue goes like this. Paul will say bonjour, which means good morning, and Claire will answer bonjour, which also means good morning. And Paul will ask, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Which means, what is your name? And Claire will answer, je m'appelle Claire. Et vous? Je m'appelle Claire. Et vous? Which means, my name is Claire. And you? And Paul will answer, je m'appelle Paul. Enchanté. Je m'appelle Paul. Enchanté. Which means, my name is Paul. Nice to meet you. And Claire will reply, Enchanté Pierre. Enchanté Pierre. Which means, nice to meet you, Pierre. To ask someone name in a formal situation, you will say, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Or you can say, vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? In an informal situation, you will say, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Or you can also say, tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Now, if you don't know the difference between a formal and an informal situation in the French language, I've already talked about it in the first lesson. You can go back and watch it. To introduce yourself or other people in the French language, we use the verb s'appeler. S'appeler. And it goes like this. Je m'appelle Isaac. Je m'appelle Isaac, which means my name is Isaac. Tu t'appelles blank. You can fill in the blanks with people names just to practice. Tu t'appelles, which means your name is. Il ou elle s'appelle. Il ou elle s'appelle, meaning his or her name is. Nous nous appelons blank et blank. Nous nous appelons blank et blank, which means our names are blank and blank. Vous vous appelez blank et blank. Vous vous appelez blank et blank, which means your names are blank and blank. Il ou elle s'appelle blank et blank. Il ou elle s'appelle blank et blank, which means their names are blank and blank. Now, let's say Paul and Claire meet for the second time. Paul will say, bonjour Claire, which means good morning. Claire will answer, bonjour Paul, which means good morning Paul. Paul will say, comment allez-vous, which means how are you? And Claire will say, je vais bien, merci, et vous? Je vais bien, merci, et vous? Which means I am fine, thank you, and you? And Paul will reply, très bien, merci, which means very well, thank you. When asking how someone is in a formal situation, you can say, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Or you can use the variation, vous allez bien? Vous allez bien? When asking how someone is in an informal situation, you can say, tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Or you can use the variations, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Or you can simply ask, ça va? Ça va? Now, when someone asks you, comment allez-vous? Or, vous allez bien? Or, tu vas bien? You can reply, je vais bien, meaning I'm doing well. Or, je vais très bien, meaning I'm doing very well. Now, when someone asks you, comment ça va? You can say, ça va bien, which means I'm doing well. Or, ça va très bien, I'm doing very well. When someone asks you, ça va? You can say, oui, ça va, or simply, ça va. This is the end of lesson number 3. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about some basic expressions you need to know. If you are discovering this channel for the first time, I suggest you go back and start watching from the first video to get familiar with the basics of the French language before proceeding with the next lessons. Thank you for watching.